Okay, we have an announcement. Obviously, the schedule's messed up because of Utica Avenue is shut down because employee catch up with the coronavirus. Obviously, 4 train's supposed to run local on overnights to New Lots Avenue when the 3 train is not here. So the 3 train's supposed to run New Lots during the day when the 4 train is on the last stop Utica Avenue. So for now, the schedule's messed up. And last week, the 2 train wasn't running in Brooklyn when the 5 replaced last week during the day. Obviously, the 2 train runs overnight last week, all week. And this is information for now. So, for now, they're sticking with 3 and 4 train just like 2 and 5 train by the Flatbush Avenue Brooklyn College. For now, they're sticking up together. This is all information. Let's see, you can see the timer. 3 and the 4 train. We'll watch the whole video. The 3 and 4 train are running together. I'm just here to record information what happened.